Hi everyone, I'm Sam and I work in the writing studio here at MCLA. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make an asynchronous appointment through the WC Online website and just all the logistics and how to set yourself up for an asynchronous appointment. So the easiest way to get to the writing studio is to go under the Student Academics tab. There's a direct link to the writing studio on your portal page. So this is our main page on the school mcla.edu site. We have a little bit of information of what we do and the different appointments that we provide. For example, this video will be focused on how to make an asynchronous appointment. And below that, we have our hours as well as a couple other links to help you with writing, and also a staff link to see a little bit of who we are. So to make an appointment, you click the schedule appointment button here, and it brings you to the WC Online website. So if you don't already have an account, you would register for one, and you can put in your email. It should be your MCLA email, probably, your name, your A number, your class year, all of that stuff. Make a password, set email notifications. So I already have an account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. This will bring you to the WC Online main page, and this is basically a calendar layout of each day of the week. For example, this is today, Monday, October 19th. On the side here, it has who the writing associate is and the type of appointment they have. And then the white boxes here are the ones that are open. Usually if there's an appointment booked already, there will be a color, for example, the blue one there. So specifically for asynchronous, you would look for someone who has an asynchronous appointment. For example, I have one here today at 5, and you just click one of the white boxes because that represents an open appointment. So from here, this is the appointment form. You would fill in, your name would already be there, the date and time would be there, and then you would fill in down here whatever you're bringing in. If it's for a class, you fill out what class it's for, the professor, just some information about yourself. And then also, if you'd like us to send a little note to your professor telling them that you visited the studio, you can choose to do that or not. It's completely up to you. Also your pronouns, and then this box here is where you would describe what you'd like us to work on. So being as specific as possible here is super important. Just giving us maybe a few main things to focus on about your paper or your outline or whatever you're bringing to us. And then below that is where you would upload it. Like I said, with an asynchronous appointment, there's no face-to-face or live contact. So this is super important if you are booking an asynchronous to upload your files. So you can upload multiple files here. One of them could be your draft. One of them could be the assignment prompt. Having the prompt really helps us as well to just kind of get some context of what you're working with. And so if you click choose file, that would open up your computer library and you could insert that file here. And then from there, you would click create appointment and your appointment would be booked. You would get an email confirmation, and if you wanted to change your appointment, upload anything else, or cancel it at any time, you can come back to this page, click the box that you just did, and you can cancel down here if you need to, or upload something else. So if you need to make any adjustments to your appointment, this is where you would go back to. And once you do that, the box will be colored and you will be booked for an appointment. So I hope that this helped you all, and I hope to see you in the writing studio soon.